we're going to look at the D6th chords now, and these get a little bit unusual. There's less notes in them, so everything stands out a bit more. So you're only playing with 4 notes. So what we're going to have a little look at as well is the D minor is also the Dorian mode when you're playing in C major or A minor. And that's the one that I keep mentioning has that natural 6th with a minor chord. So we'll look at that. But let's start off with, we'll take a D. All right, 1, 5, 1, 3 is our pattern here. And obvious one here. Slip it up. That's your flat 6th. One more. All right. Now, we're not going to do that though, because there's actually a pretty cool thing with the D. And if you actually take that 3rd finger off, that's on that 3rd fret on the B, you actually get a natural 6th with the open note. So you can actually just and that's really nice. Okay. All right. So that would be my go-to for a D major at 6. All right. So you've got that. What about a minor? You can't do that trick with a minor with the flat 6th, but you can with the Dorian mode. So all we're going to do is drop this note, which is our 3rd, back onto the 1st fret. And you've got this really quite cool So you've got your natural 6th there and your flat 3rd. When we put that in with something like an A minor or a C major, you can hear a huge difference. It's very discordant. Okay, so you'd want to be careful with how you're using it. Flipping between, it's very, it really changes that 3rd massively. So yeah, subtlety is the key there, but sometimes you do want to really jar things up. And interestingly, that D that you play normally with the D minor in the Dorian mode, it doesn't do that. So this is a way to really twist it up. All right, we'll move on from there. Let's have a look at our suspended chords. So we've got a, that's our 3rd. So really, to get past that, we're going to have to really octave our 5th. All right. So from our 3rd to our 5th, then what we've got, there's our 5th as well. Because we've octaved that, we can move that up. So here we've got a nice little suspended flat 6th. It's pretty cool. Nice to play with. All right, now then if we want to get up to a natural 6th, we can move that up one more, and you've got this nice little chord here. All right, now moving between those, however, is amazing. Alright, get yourself a nice finger picking rhythm. Into whatever you like. So we can see with those suspended chords we're really getting something quite useful. Now, I think we may have covered all of them, but I believe there is still a minor natural sixth that we can get to as well. So we've got our D, that's our minor. So, this little one. It's also a nice, easy. Right, so that's one of those minor flat sixth, but you'll notice our flat sixth is actually low, okay? All right, so what you've really got to do though is think about where do these fit in now. So if I'm going with, all right, what's my D minor? All right, if I've got a D minor, my A is actually going to be a Phrygian, and that's got one of those awesome flat nines. And if you think about that, now normally you do your A minor ninth like this, but what we can do if you look for a flat nine, you've got this incredible tension chord, all right, and you've also got your Dorian minor. Some very dark, very tense stuff going on. Leave you with that, and I'll see you next time.